Hi everyone, I'm Vlad from Armo. In this video, I'd like to show you the interactive API documentation we have previously released. To show you what it's capable of, let's take a look at the local Kubernetes cluster I have running. I have previously installed the Kubescape Helm chart into the cluster and exposed the services in the chart by node port so I can access them from outside the cluster. Now, say I'm interested in the Kubescape service and I would like to read its documentation. To do that, I would have to navigate to the documentation page, which is located at the services address /OpenAPI/v2/SwaggerUI. As you can see, once the page loads, it's a fairly standard Swagger UI page where every path operation that is defined and we decide that it's a part of our public API is documented. For example, if I'm interested in how to trigger a Kubescape scan, I would click on the appropriate operation and check its documentation, where its parameters are documented, the request body, the responses, and so on and so forth. And I can actually try it out against a live service running. So for example, I could run a scan that would report to me in the JSON format. So that would be format is JSON. Now when I press execute, the UI would give me a response from a live running service and the documentation for the given response and the associated model and so on and so forth. We actually document the models used in any requests that are of interest to the user, so feel free to check that out. If you prefer different UIs, we also serve the Redux UI at OpenAPI/v2/docs, and we also serve the Rapidoc format at OpenAPI/v2/RAPI. So feel free to use any UI provider you seem necessary. Now, thanks for watching and have fun using Kubescape.